How to set picture password on Windows. To do that, you have to head to the start icon on the bottom left corner, and from all of the options you have to click on your profile right at the top. Then let's head to change account settings. On this tab you have to select sign in options. Coming to the right side under sign in options, you'll be able to see picture password. Please keep in mind that you cannot set a picture password until and unless you have created a password. So now that is done, go ahead and click on add. Before you choose a picture, you'd have to go through a verification. So all you have to do is type in your current password. Now that you are here, you have to click on choose picture and now select the picture that you want to set. It'll give you a preview of what it is going to look like, and if you don't like it, go ahead and click on choose new picture, or if you're good with this one, then click on use this picture. Now Windows is going to ask you to draw 3 gestures. Here it says it could be the combination of circles, straight lines, and just tabs. So for the first one, I'll use a circle, and for the second one, I'll use a straight line here. Then for the final one, I'll just tap on this palm tree right here. Now to reconfirm, we would have to repeat. Once you've completed that, you have successfully created your picture password. Now all you need to do is click on finish, then you'll have to use it the next time you sign into your Windows. Hope I was able to help you out. Thank you for watching.